How to download the Tide Bank statement. So in option number 1, download the form from the Tide app. Open the Tide app and tap your initials in the top left corner to go to your iPhone and settings. Now in settings, navigate to bank account and here click on the statement and document option. And here you will see the account statement option. Click on it. You can choose either a monthly statement or set a custom date range. Now for custom range, you can select for up to 6 months and up to 3 days before the current date. Once you have selected the period, tap the share button to download and save the statement as a PDF. Now for the next option, you can download from the web browser. For that, log into your Tide account from a web browser. In the accounts menu, select the account you need a statement for. Click on account details. Here you have to go to statement section and then select your custom range. Select your desired date range and download the statement, and that's all.